Good morning, everybody. If you're a parent, get ready to start receiving checks monthly for the new and improved child tax credit. In this video, I'll be giving you updates regarding this new child tax credit that is larger than it has ever been before. I'll be covering the monthly check amounts you can expect to receive, what the income limits are, and what other things you need to know to be sure to qualify for this check. Welcome if you're brand new to our channel. My name is Mike the CPA, and welcome to Money and Life TV, where we cover finances, investing, and taxes to help people like yourself build wealth. Let's start off with the monthly check amount, and I've summarized everything for you on this Excel spreadsheet. Feel free to take a snapshot with your cell phone if you want to remember these numbers. If you have children under the age of 6, for every child you have under this age that qualifies for the child tax credit, you're going to get $300 per month, and that's per child. If you have children that are under the age of 17, let me repeat that, but over the age of 6, so between 6 and 17, then you can get up to $250 a month per child. If you have a child who's turning 17 during 2021, you don't have anything to worry about. You're still going to be able to get the credit as if they were under 17. You can see here the max credit is $3,600 per child for those who are under 6, and $3,000 for each children under the age of 17, but over 6 years of age. Quickly covering the income limitations, you will get the full credit, this full check amount, as long as your income is below these amounts under each independent filing status shown here. So if you're single, you have to make less than $75,000 to get the full amount, less than $112,500 if head of household, and less than $150,000 if married filing joint. As you exceed those income threshold, the credit begins to phase out for every $1,000 you make over those amounts. I'm not going to cover the phase outs in this video, but if you want to see more information about that, check out this video right here where I cover this in even more detail. Now, what if you're making a very sizable income? If you're single and making over $200,000 or married filing joint making over $400,000, well, you're not out of luck. You can still get up to $2,000 per child. And if you divide that out, that would be like $166 per month monthly check per child. Although I cannot find any information in this instance regarding as to whether you'll actually receive a check or not. It might just be something you report on your tax return in 2021. I have no idea, but if you got a check, I would expect it to be about this amount per child. One of the things you really need to do if you want to start receiving these monthly checks is to make sure your direct deposit information is on file with the IRS. If you've already filed your 2020 taxes, then you're in really good shape. If you have not, file your tax return as soon as possible if you have a filing requirement. That way they have all of your information on file already, and they can use that to estimate how much of a monthly check to send you based on the age of your children, your direct deposit information, your income, and all of that. If you're a person who does not have a tax filing requirement, it doesn't mean you're out of luck from getting this if you have qualifying children that you could get the child tax credit for. The IRS is actually constructing an online portal where you can go to submit your direct deposit information and other information about yourself and your dependents information so that you can start receiving these checks monthly. So just because you don't file taxes because you're not required to doesn't mean you're out of luck, and you don't have to show or prove any forms of income in order to get this. Sending out monthly checks in advance for the child tax credit, I believe, is a concept that has actually never been done before. So what you can expect is you can expect to receive monthly checks starting July 15th and the 15th of every month all the way through December of 2021. At that point, the rest of the credit is what you're going to get when you file your 2021 taxes. If you don't have a tax filing requirement, I presume there's going to be another way for you to get the remainder of the credit. I just don't know exactly what that is yet, but I imagine the IRS is going to have to address that issue on their website. Before I forget to mention it, it says, per the IRS website, it says advance payments of the 2021 child tax credit will be made regularly from July through December to eligible taxpayers who have a main home in the United States for more than half the year. The total of the advance payments will be up to 50% of the child tax credit. So you must have a main home within the United States for at least half the year. Also, there is the option for eligible taxpayers who do not want to receive advance payments of the 2021 child tax credit will have the opportunity to decline receiving advance payments. Taxpayers will also have the opportunity to update information about changes in their income filing status or the number of qualifying children. More details on how to take these steps will be announced soon. To summarize, you're getting about $1,600 more annually per child who's under 6 years of age. And if you have children between 6 and 17, you're getting about $1,000 more than you did last year. And that's per child. Pretty nice. Although you're getting a larger credit overall than you did in 2020, just remember how that's going to impact your tax filing when it comes time to file your taxes. You might not expect as large of a refund because you've gotten more of the money up front. Well, thank you everyone for all the support. That's the quick update on the child tax credit I wanted to provide you today. If you enjoyed today's video, it would mean a lot to me if you leave a like, engage in the comments, and even share this with your family and friends who have children. I think this information is something they're going to want to see. And of course, subscribe for weekly videos that cover finances, investing, and taxes so you can become fiscally fit. Have a wonderful week, everybody. Live life uncaged, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care, everybody. Peace.